Technician's Guide for LCD TV Power Supply Operation Test Kit. Part 1. Getting Started and User Manual. Introduction. For using the electrical testing kit for television screen receivers, LCDs will have QR code user manual. Here's an e-book. We can use our mobile phones to scan and view the details. Click the link to open the English manual page. And you can zoom in to see the details. First step in using it. We will need a type of plug. Safety. Short circuit protection. The light bulb will turn on if there is a problem with the circuit. Plug the machine in. Turn on the circuit breakers. There are 2 of them. And press Power On, and the machine will turn on. Part 2. Operating in Standby and Voltage Measurement Standby mode. When the device is turned on, the TV mode will be in standby mode. The LED on the front of the unit will light up to indicate standby mode. The screen will display the different pressures, featuring 220 volts, PFC, and LED backlight. Standby. Next, we will measure the voltage using a digital multimeter. Input AC voltage approximately 231 to 232 volts. Measure pressure, filter, and PFC. Converts the measurement range to direct current, DC. Be careful with polarity. Black to black and red to red plug. Measured at approximately 319 to 320 volts. Measure pressure, standby. Measured at approximately 3.5 volts DC. Part 3. Signal Measurement. PWM. Pre-power on check before pressing power on allows you to test waveform measurement, PWM, modulator, using an oscilloscope. Use a measuring tape. Channel 1 set to multiply by 1 is connected to the signal jack with PWM. Be careful not to let the terminals touch. It can cause a short circuit. The result is, the waveform shows nothing at all. It's a straight line, no pulse signal, affecting the screen, and the tube, the LED, is not on. This is normal in this mode. Part 4. Operating in Power On and Voltage Measurement. Power On mode. When pressed Power On the remote or the unit, Voltage variations will be shown. Next, we will measure the voltage after the device is powered on. Pressure power on, this is direct current, DC. It measured approximately 3.3 to 3.4 volts. Pressure driver on, measured at approximately 3.28 volts. Pressure DC 12 volts for the lighting system. Pressure DC 24 volts for the audio section. Pressure, filter, and PFC. This will increase the voltage by 300 volts from the normal level. It is 391 volts. Pressure LED backlight operates at 119 to 120 volts to drive the bulb. Upon returning to measure the signal PWM again using an oscilloscope, you will now see a pulsed waveform signal appear. Makes the television receiver work normally. Part 5. Mobile App Control. This experimental kit can be controlled via a mobile app MIT App Inventor by connecting Bluetooth to the microcontroller board ESP32 inside the device. Start by pressing Connect Bluetooth, select a name, ESP32 LCD TV. When connected successfully, you can press the button to activate the function, exposing the answer, different pressure values on the device's control panel. Example of command via the app. Order to turn on AC 220 volts. On filter/PFC. On standby, light, LED is on but the numbers aren't showing yet. Order power on, driver on, DC 12 volts, DC 24 volts to make the digital display show the value. Part 6. Voice control. In addition, it can also be controlled via voice commands. Google Assistant requires an internet connection. Example commands. Say that
AC 220 โวลต์
AC 220 โวลต์
LED backlight
LED backlight
standby power on
power on ปิด
driver on driver on
driver on ปิด
DC 12 โวลต์
DC 12 โวลต์ปิด
DC 24 โวลต์
DC 24 โวลต์ปิด
AC 220 โวลต์
AC 220 โวลต์เปิด
LED backlight
LED backlight เปิด
นะครับ standby
standby เปิด
power on
power on เปิด
driver on
driver on เปิด
DC 12 โวลต์
DC 12 โวลต์เปิด
DC 24 โวลต์
DC 24 โวลต์เปิด
Part 7. Using the rear switches, manual switches. In addition to the application, on the back of the machine there is a switch for the teacher to use. The solution is revealed. Show the voltage readings to the students, normally kept hidden for students to measure themselves. By following the switch sequence, AC 220 volts, filter/PFC, LED backlight, standby, power on, driver on, DC 12 volts, DC 24 volts. Finally, when the LCD TV power supply operation test kit is connected without the screen or panel, the TV will receive the video signal normally, which clearly shows the TV's operating system.